Welcome to Artistic Documentation. I hope you will stay till the end. Marketing enhances sales is through conversion optimization, turning interest into action. Marketing strategies use persuasive communication, social proof, and clear calls to action to guide potential customers along the buyer's journey. Well-designed websites, intuitive user interfaces, engaging visuals, and compelling copy all contribute to a seamless purchasing experience that reduces friction and increases sales. Email marketing and remarketing campaigns help nurture leads who may not be ready to buy immediately, keeping the brand top of mind until they are. Effective marketing also leverages analytics and customer data to personalize experiences, tailoring recommendations, offers, and messages based on behavior, location, and demographics. This personalization increases relevance, which directly boosts conversion rates. For example, Amazon and Netflix's recommendation algorithms are powerful marketing tools that drive a significant portion of their sales by showing users exactly what they're likely to want next. Moreover, marketing plays a vital role in establishing brand trust and credibility, two essential components for driving consistent sales. Through transparent communication, high-quality content, customer reviews, and influencer endorsements, marketing helps create a reputation for reliability and value. When potential buyers see others endorsing a product, it alleviates doubts and reinforces trust. Content marketing, in particular, builds authority by offering value before the sale, educating, informing, and entertaining the audience through blogs, videos, podcasts, and social media posts. This not only attracts potential customers but positions the brand as a thought leader in its industry. Trust leads to loyalty, and loyalty leads to repeat sales, referrals, and long-term growth. Marketing also empowers businesses to reach entirely new audiences, expanding their market presence both geographically and demographically. Digital advertising platforms allow precise targeting based on interests, behaviors, and demographics, ensuring that campaigns reach the most relevant potential customers. Through tools like Google Ads, Facebook Ads Manager, and LinkedIn Campaign Manager, marketers can analyze which segments respond best and scale campaigns accordingly. Furthermore, localization strategies such as translating content, adapting messaging to cultural nuances, and using local influencers help brands successfully enter new regional markets. This expansion is not limited to global corporations. Even small businesses can reach international audiences thanks to e-commerce and digital marketing tools. A small artisan brand can sell products worldwide through a combination of search ads, social media marketing, and online marketplaces, proving that effective marketing breaks geographical barriers and multiplies reach. Thanks for watching. Join us at our private community.